Hello ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all and welcome back to Authentic Channel. So in this particular video, we'll be talking about this project called ATN Network. Right, so before we proceed, I want to draw you guys' attention. This particular coin is already trading on top two exchanges, Binges and Mexi Exchange precisely. And if you take a look at the dashboard right here, you guys will see that it is going to be listed on Bitmart again on the 25th of this month. Let's say today was 20th, let's say 4 to 5 days from the day of making this video, right? So this coin is already trading at the rate of $0.3 on exchanges right now, but we still have the opportunity to earn these tokens. So if you know you have not joined this project, make use of the link that I'm going to be providing in the description section and also the comment section of this video, and get started immediately. So this is a long time project and a lucrative one at that. Now in this particular video, I want to show you guys, after joining, how to earn more coins. That is how to earn more gem coins, because what we are earning here is called gem points, which is at the end of every month will be converted to the real token, which is ATH, or let's say which is ATN. Yes, so now this is how to earn more gems every day. This is what you have to do after you've signed up and you have started. This is what you should be doing. First of all, you come to this place that they wrote mining. This is where you mine every 24 hours. Sorry, every 12 hours. Let's click on the mining. You can see you can tap. This particular project have the tapping version where you'll be tapping and be getting these points. Later, these points will be converted to gem that will be converted to ATN. Sorry guys, but that is a very long process because you cannot be able to tap anything reasonable right here. So at this particular session that they wrote, your node, this is where you mine every 12 hours. So let me click on mine. And you guys can see that I have an hour plus few minutes and few seconds to go before I will claim and continue mining. Okay, so every 12 hours you come here and mine. Once the mining is done, then you tap on the claim button, you claim whatever it has mined for you, then you leave it and come back next thing. That is another place to earn. Then you come to this place that they wrote quest. You will see a lot of quest, which is task that you can perform and earn more of these tokens, right? So you guys can see a lot of tasks right here. I've almost performed all these tasks. Okay, this particular one is daily check-in. I have it right here. Let me claim it immediately. 20,000 gems daily check-in. Let me claim it. Okay, let's wait for them to verify it, then we can proceed. You guys can see that the countdown is okay. Beautiful. Received reward successfully. So this is how you do it every day. You come here, also you claim your daily check-in. I also still have some things to claim right here, which is the things that will boost my mining. This one will boost my gem mining by 10%. So just do well to check this quest session every day. Wherever you see anything claimable, just tap on it to claim. Okay, it will help you in getting more gems points. So at this particular place where they wrote sponsored quest, you click on it, you will see some tasks that you should perform. Let me click on go and show you guys. Sponsored quest, which means sponsored task. Okay, so I've already performed all the tasks. You guys can see that I've already check marked them. I've already performed 1/1, then 3/10, 3/3. Sorry, let me just open it. So these are places that you will still perform the task as well and get some tokens right here. So you guys can see the amount of gems that was attracted to this one. This is to follow Hezogo Banks on X. This one is to join Hezogo Bank on Telegram. Then you follow the Hezogo Bank Telegram group. You guys can see 300k, 300k, 300k. So these are ways for you to earn more gems that will be converted to ATH token at the end of every month. So do well to perform every available task and check this particular quest session every day, because they used to add new quests literally every day. Okay, so that is it. Now let's come to this place that they wrote wallets. Let me show you guys what I have right now. Okay, so this is what I was telling you guys. So at the end of every month, because this is what we are earning in this project right now, this particular gem. And if you take a look at my dashboard, you see that I have 1.7 gems right here and 97 ATN right now. So like I said, this particular token is trading $0.3 on exchanges right now. Okay, so every month end, let's say literally the end day of the month, they used to convert whatever you have right here to this particular two tokens. Everything you have right here, they used to divide it to this particular Doge and this particular ATH. So there's a conversion rate that they use to share it, and you will see that you will not have anything right here again. Then this one will increase, this one will increase as well. So the higher you get, this is where your focus should be. Make sure that you are accumulating these gems as much as you can. Okay, and there's another one called Lion tokens right here. They also used to add some shares of the division right here, okay? So let me show you guys where the lion share is, where I get most of all my gems right here, because what we are getting daily is just a tip of an ice. So let me come to the home section. There are a lot of places we used to get this gem tokens initially, but most of them has ended. And also this particular place that the road streak, you guys can see that I have 121 days streak claiming 12k right here today. So this streak used to activate every 24 hours. You also claim this streak as well, okay? And this particular one is the quest as well, where you perform some task and end. So do well to be claiming every 24 hours right here. The more you are claiming, the more your quest streak is increasing. You guys can see I've been on this project for the past 121 days. That's massive, okay? So now let's proceed. This is the mining session that I showed you guys earlier, which is the tap, the node, the boost, leaderboard and all, okay? So if you scroll up a bit, you will see where they wrote p-picks. So this particular p-picks, you still have some tokens to claim right here. Let's click on the p-pick session and see what they have. So this is the benefit of people that have been that have verified their KYC. So you have verified your KYC, you are entitled to be claiming this amount of gems every 24 hours. You guys can see I've already claimed today's own. That is where you can see get reward, nothing is here. So every 24 hours you come here and claim. And the most sweetest part of this project is that you don't really need to do verification, submit your identity and all for you to get your KYC. Once you can be able to afford this particular bronze package, which is just $3, okay? If you can afford it, automatically your KYC will be activated. As simple as that. KYC completed user privilege, and that's exactly what I did. And if you check my dashboard, you see you have completed KYC. I didn't submit anything. I just purchased this $3 bronze package and my KYC was verified immediately. So let's click on buy package so that you guys will see all the benefits of this $3. Just $3. Don't even go for all these $18, $58 and all, though most of them is the more you have, the more your mining increase. So let's check the benefits of this bronze, okay? These are the benefits of bronze package. Increase mining speed booster to 300% on the ATN app. Entitled to profit sharing benefits in ATN every month. No need for KYC. Enjoy converting coins between accounts without hassle. So this is the most sweetest part of them all that really attracted me and forced me to do that, or rather to buy that, okay? So that's just what I want to share with you guys, okay? So if you can afford $3 to spend on this project, just go ahead and buy it right here, okay? You can buy it under with, let me just say, because this is under BNB chain, right? So let's just tap as if to say we want to buy. Let's see what will come up again. They say buy bronze. Okay, you can choose any wallet of your choice. So make sure you just have $3 in any assets. They will show you the one that will be needed. If it's not there, then you just have to convert it and buy with the recommended token. Either BNB, either the $3 should be in USDT form or in BNB form, Arbitrum, or any form. I can't just remember because it has been a while that I did this, okay? But it's very simple. It's not that techy, okay? And another way that I earn more is through staking. So let me scroll up a bit. This place that I wrote staking, you can stake some of your ATN right here and be earning some percentage every day, okay? And this particular place that they wrote Hodl, this is where I get most of my tokens. So let me click on Hodl and I will show you guys, okay? So this is where they hold, okay? So you guys can see this particular slot is already sold out. This one that you just need to hold 49 ATN is sold out. You can't do that again. This one is to hold 99 ATN, already sold out as well. You can't do that again. So the next package right here available is 299 ATN. That is if you can afford it. But because I'm not seeing the next, is because I've already hodled the next token, okay? I participated in this particular one when it was active. So let me show you guys my hodling right now. So if you click on this number is for the big boys in the game. So you'll be hodling a lot of token right here for you to be able to be earning from this normal package. Let me just wait for it to load up. Okay, I think it's not loading up. Maybe it's due to my network. Beautiful, it has come up. So you guys can see, if you can hold 30,000 ATN, you'll be getting 20 million of this gem token every day till the next 360 days, unlimited. So this particular one is 100,000 ATN. You hold 100,000 right here. So if you just want to do anyone, you just have to tap on it. So this one is to hold 5 ATN. I know a lot of you guys can afford this particular one, so you can just hold 5 and you'll be getting 2.5 every day till the next 180 days. This one you'll be holding 10 ATN. This one you'll be holding 20. You'll be holding 30. So as you see the amount of holding, you'll be seeing your reward, what you'll be getting right here. So this is still another way for you to hodl and be getting more gems every 24 hours. So this one will hodl 40, 50, 60. So anybody can afford anyone from this session, okay? So this is another way for you to earn more tokens, okay? So let me just scroll up and show you guys. If you really want to hold, all you have to do is just to click on it like this, as if to say I want to hold 70 ATN. I will click on it and click on hodl. Then they will just send me OTP in my email and my two-factor authentication. You will need your two-factor authentication for this as well. So once I confirm it, I'll just click on confirm right here, and I will hodl it automatically, and I will start earning 35,000 gems every day till the next I'll be earning 35,000 gems every day till the next 180 days, okay? But I'm going to be showing you guys my own hodl right here, and this is where I'm getting more of my tokens. So if I click on your hodl right here, then you guys will see the amount of ATN that I'm hodling and what I'm getting every 24 hours. Okay, so this is it. I'm hodling 149 ATN right here, and my 24 hours reward every day is 1.250 million gem. This is what I get every 24 hours. And if you take a look at my get reward right here, is already activated for me to claim it. So let me just show you guys my wallet so that you guys will see it. I have 1.739 gems right here. So let me just go back and claim this particular one, which is today's reward. And you guys will see that it will be added to my gems immediately. Let's wait for it to come up. Okay, so let me click on my hodl again. Then I will scroll up. I'll click on get reward. So this is what you'll be doing every 24 hours. You guys can see get reward. Wait for it. Beautiful. Congratulations. You have received 1.629. Beautiful. So these guys, they are even giving additional percentage to what you're supposed to be getting. So I'm supposed to be getting 1.2 million, and I just received 1.6 million. So let's go back to my wallet and check if it has dropped. Let's wait for it to refresh up. Though sometimes it used to take time before it drops, but definitely it will drop. You guys can see we just claimed it right now, so it will just take time for it to drop, and you will just come here later to check it, and you see that your gem token has increased. Okay, so that is just the latest update in this project. Do well to rewatch this particular video and watch it very, very vividly and carefully so that you really understand this step-by-step guide and tutorials on how to earn more gems token that will be converted to ATN at the end of every month. So this coin is a very lucrative coin already, though we never really know much about the use cases, but it's already trading at high price on exchanges right now. $0.3 is what it is trading right now. Okay, so let's just keep accumulating this token, but now you cannot withdraw it to any exchange as it stands now, but you can only, maybe you want to send it, click on send right here. That is for you to sell either through P2P session, or somebody is buying from you, they will give you their email address. You use this internal transfer, just tap on internal transfer and send it to them. This is the black market trading. So this is it, ATN. You just put the amount that you really want to sell right here, put the email address, put the OTP and the two-factor authentication, then boom, you send it to the person and you get your cash. Okay, but if I should advise us, I would just say let's just keep accumulating these tokens and holding it in our wallet till they bring an option for us to let's say withdraw it from this particular app to the any exchange of our choice directly. Okay, so let's just focus on accumulating more gems that will be converted to ATN at the end of every month. So thank you guys for watching. If you really found value in this video, I know the video is already long, but I think it's still worth it at the end of the day. If you really found value right here, don't forget to give your boy a thumbs up, also comment on this particular video, and also share so that a lot of people will get this information. And if this is your first time coming across our channel, do well to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates till I come your way next time. Thank you guys for watching. Remain blessed and see you in our next video. Alright guys, so after a few minutes I just refreshed my wallet and saw that the gem has already been credited. So that's why I just say after claiming it, just give them a few minutes and it will drop. And this is how you should know how the transaction works. So you can click on your gem like this or any of the token and see how it has been going. Okay, so this is the transaction history. So far you guys have seen the amount that I've been getting so far. So this particular one that shows red is the one that they converted around 1st of January this month. They converted it to ATH and ATN and the gem. So this particular one is one they converted on February. I didn't have enough right here. I just have 600k. So this is the one they converted from the beginning of month of March, right? You can see 1st of March 2025. They converted 2 point something million right here. So on the 1st of April, they are still going to be converting the next one. So this is the 20k that I just claimed from daily checking, and the 1.6 million that I just received from the hodling of ATN package. So that is just that. Do well to familiarize with this project, and we see how it turns out to be at the end of the day. Like I said, it's already trading on exchanges, so we don't really have anything to lose right here. All our effort right now is to accumulate as many ATN as we can. Okay, so that is just it. And never forget that gems equals ATM at the end of the day. Okay, so make everything possible to earn more gems right here. Thank you guys, and bye for now.